Hello, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and we've got this 1995 G20 conversion van, and it's going to go directly to eBay, being sold to the highest bidder. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this G20 van. So currently, I've actually spent a lot of time with this van. It runs out, drives really nice. It's got a Chevy 350, a 5.7 liter V8 with a 4-speed automatic gearbox. The body's in really good shape. There's a couple of dimples on the hood here, one right there, and then there's one right there. But overall, it's pretty darn straight. It looks really good. The graphics, being its age, it's a 95, the graphics are a little bit faded, but it all looks really nice. The wheels and tires, the wheels look stock, and it looks like there's plenty of tread on these tires. So this is a conversion van with the bed in the rear. I'm just kind of doing a body walk around. There is some damage to the spare tire holder here. It's got a crack at the bottom, but it's just a cover on it. It's not too bad. But there's no major dents. It's a pretty good looking van. Alright, so I'm going to open this door. We're going to actually go in another way here. Just want to show you that the door cards look really nice. The seats, it looks like there was a little bit of a repair here, but other than that, it looks really good. Has armrests. The power seats work. Forward, back. This is recline, and back up, and forward. It's like a tilt option. It does have some cracks in the windshield, which is easier to see from the inside. There's a crack right here, and then there's one right there. So a windshield will need to be replaced in this vehicle. The floors are in really good shape. Carpets all look good. This is just detailed, so the van is a little bit wet on the inside. All right. Let us look on the passenger side. Seats in good shape. It's starting to rain. It does have a couple of power ports that are already wired up. Looks like the previous owner needed a little bit more power, and that's understandable. The door card is in good shape as well. I want to show you the rear before we get the whole torrential downpour. So it's this button here, and then you have a little button for GM right here, and it opens this up, and this portion here folds down, and this part goes down and makes a full bed, which is nice. All right, let's look to the interior. Again, the door cards are in good shape. The passenger seats all look good. Ceiling is in, there's no stains or any kind of damage at all. It looks really nice. So it does need probably a little bit of an update for, you know, toys and whatnot. It's got the stock stereo, as well as looks like a TV plug-in type deal. Seat looks good. The carpets are really clean. And this is your bench that turns into a bed as well. Of course, you got speakers and lights and all that good stuff. Really a good looking van. All right, so we're gonna get in this way because it's starting to rain. So everything looks pretty stock. The stereo is stock. Has an electronic antenna that goes up and down. Electric windows, locks. Oop, I dropped the keys. So, mileage is 143,568 miles. And we'll start her up. Starts up just fine. I do have this up to temp already. No warning lights whatsoever. Your signals all work. Brake lights, headlights, all in good shape. Your power windows. All work as they should. Like I said, you do have a couple of power ports. Your mirrors also work, which is nice. So you don't have to stick your hand out there and manually do that. It does have rear air, which is your control right here. I'm not sure if you could hear the air moving, but it's working. Turning it off. And then your climate control for the front. Blows just fine. Your stereo. Your antenna, as you can see, goes up.
Can't wait to get back to his Marjorie. Donna.
Oh, yeah. And goes down. So everything seems to work as it should. This, you know, it runs out, drives really nice, shifts as it should. Really a nice conversion van. It's a 1995 G20, which means it's a 3/4 ton rated van. Interior is really clean, exterior is really nice, just with some fading to the exterior. So this is going to go through our auction on eBay, no reserve. So come out. We do really encourage third-party inspections, or come out and take a look at this van yourself before bidding on it. It's really nice shape. And if you have any questions about this van, give us a call. 360-273-0711 is our office phone number. This is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. And thank you very much for watching.